Good morning, my name is Tom Shiao with Ivanti Software, and today I also have Mr. Brett Chadwick with me, our systems engineer. And first of all, I'd like to thank you for being a LANdesk customer for the past 2 years and managing your PCs with our solution. And I've been working with Bill and Tammy, your manager and assistant manager of client services, this past several weeks. And they've basically come to me with a need to manage your Macs, your Android and your iOS devices. And so we've been speaking about different ways to do that and the best ways to do that. Well, first I want to start off with a quick whiteboard session. This will take about 15 or 20 minutes, and wanted to kind of explain to you and go over briefly the steps that we would like to take with you as you go on this quest to basically modernize your client services. So our focus is to modernize the ways that you currently manage your endpoints. So what we want to do is take advantage of the most current technologies that are available today so that you have the absolute best IT operations as possible. We want you to be proactive and not reactive to your clients. And we want to empower your users with the tools they need to be the most productive. We also want your IT organization to eliminate downtime and increase end user satisfaction, and basically have IT to be the path of least resistance to increase that productivity. We want to do all of this efficiently as possible with a low total cost of ownership and a quick return on investment. So I'm going to go over basically what I've been speaking with Bill and Tammy on your current situation. So today, and I'm going to start on the bottom left and slowly get up to where we want to be on the top right. Currently, you're managing PCs with LANdesk. You also have Macs, you have Android, and you have iOS. Now this is quite common in today's world, and we have quite a few customers. I'd say almost 80% of our customers are in the same situation as you. And having so many operating systems is bringing about complexity and is not making it seamless for the end user. So with that, you have multiple management solutions. You're currently using AirWatch, you're a LANdesk customer, and now you're looking at other Mac management solutions such as Casper. So what that's going to bring about is three separate databases, 3 sources of reporting. You have increased training time because of the multiple solutions. And what you end up doing is you're managing your devices rather than your end users, because everything is disparate and separate. And we want you to manage your users through policy-based management. It's going to save you a lot of time and, again, make things more efficient. And because of these different systems, you're also going to see security vulnerabilities because there's going to be unpatched software. Security settings are not configured properly, which can definitely cost a significant amount of money in the future. This also, if you don't have adequate inventory for your software, then you will have increased software audit risks. There's going to be unused software as well that you're renewing maintenance on, which also has basically increased cost. With these three systems, it makes things more complicated. It's quicker. It's a lot slower. Sorry, it's a lot slower to react to your end users. So you're going to have increased end user downtime as well. And everything is just more complicated. So what we want to propose to you today is LANrev client management. Now LANrev is a single solution with a single console. So with a single solution and single console, you'll have one tool to be trained on, one tool to learn, one tool to manage your PCs, Macs, Android, and iOS. Now with LANrev, like I said before, it's a fully cross-platform solution. So you will achieve full feature parity with your PCs and your Macs. And what it's going to bring for you is, first of all, you're going to get patch management for everything, including third-party patches for third-party software and third-party apps. You're also going to get software distribution for everything. Software distribution for everything. Software and hardware inventory, all in a single database, which means that you'll get instant reporting if you have any software audits or if you need any reports from upper management to determine what's out there. You'll have a single report which will cover everything that you own. This will increase your compliance and basically negate any software audit risks. You also have power management, which will definitely decrease your cost of your energy costs, so that you can turn off your systems at night or have them go to sleep, have your monitors go to turn off at night and instantly turn on in the morning. You can also manage multiple locations across subnets and internationally with a single solution. You can manage those computers over the internet. We also offer full BYOD, which Bill and Tammy have spoke to me about. To bring in those, so you can manage those devices that are brought in by your employees. And that's all policy based on Active Directory. And it's a hands-free method of enrolling your devices and managing them and configuring them. So with our MDM solution, you also have application management, configuration management, you have volume purchase plans that you can manage. There's a secure locker for all of your confidential or company-owned files that stay in a secure locker and that cannot be accessed unless you have a password. There's also other ways that you can manage those documents by limiting the amount of time that it actually resides on that device. And of course, you also have full configuration management to enforce security, such as length of passwords, how many times they can attempt to try the password, methods of recovering the phone if it's lost or stolen, or tracking it down. So again, all of this, a single solution, single console, one tool to train on, very simple to use. So why now? Well, adding a fourth solution to manage your Macs, such as Casper, which Bill and Tammy had spoke about, will be very expensive, and it will definitely increase your costs. You're going to have 3 consoles to learn and to use, which will, like I said before, avoid complicating things even further. So what we want you to do is to go ahead and start managing your Macs first with our solution, and then move on to the mobile devices. So timing for you couldn't be better. Rather than adding on a third solution, is to consider LANrev for your Macs now, and slowly move towards your Android and iOS management as well with LANrev. So why Ivanti? Well, as you know, recently we just merged we had 2 companies merge, Heat and LANdesk, and basically we're bringing the best of both worlds to a single company. We invested over $1.2 billion in acquiring LANdesk, and that's really a serious investment to create the best unified endpoint management solution in the world. And we basically have invested over $1 billion to bring to you the best solution to manage your PCs, your Macs, your Android, and your iOS devices with a single solution. And if over $1 billion is not a commitment, then really I don't know what is. It's just a serious commitment to all of our customers to bring about the best solution in the entire world. So what are the next steps? Well, like I said before, let's start off by managing your Macs. It's a simple install process. Deployment will take less than a few days. You have about 1,500 Macs out there to manage. That'll be easy for us. It'll be a simple professional service engagement for about 10 to 15 hours, and you'll have that done. The next thing you want to do is attend a demonstration of our MDM. Again, if less than an hour, Brett will get back with you and demonstrate our MDM solution to your team. Since you've already learned the console to manage your Macs, managing your MDMs, your mobile devices with LANrev will be extremely easy. And after we do both of those, then we want to. You're still going to be managing your PCs with LANdesk, and further down the road, we're going to see an integration of LANdesk and LANrev, and that's where we're going to achieve unity across everything that we see here. And further down the road, you're going to want to take a look at our ITSM solution, which involves your help desks and 10 Pink Elephant certified processes for managing, such as change management, service management, and so on. So that's what we would like to speak about today. And as we go through the demo with Brett, showing you how to manage your Macs, then please let me know if you have any questions. We appreciate your time, and we look forward to going on this journey with you and improving everything that you're doing today. go ahead and turn the baton over to Brett. Thank you.